How to enable disappearing message on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to enable disappearing message on Facebook Messenger using Vanish mode. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook Messenger app on your phone. This works on both Android and iPhone. Next, open the chat where you want to enable disappearing message. These features only work on one chat, not in group. Now, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a second. You will see the screen turn dark. That means Vanish mode is activated. Any message sent in this mode will disappear once they are seen and you leave the chat. This keeps your conversation private. To turn off Vanish mode, just swipe up again. The chat will return to normal and disappearing message will be deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to use Vanish mode on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.